Hey guys. So my question is, how did the westward expansion and slavery divide the nation? So I think the South held a pro-slavery identity that supported the expansion of slavery into the western territories, while the North largely held abolitionist sentiments and opposed the moving of slavery into the West. Each had different reasons for their opposing views of the westward expansion and slavery. The people in the North were against slavery, but mostly because they felt they didn't really need them as much because they didn't have as much agriculture as the South did. And the South had a lot more agriculture and craved the help of free labor of slavery and felt that they needed them. So the South claimed slavery was supported by the Bible, in which they manipulated African slaves who came from the roughness of the jungle to the better Christian civilization, thinking that they were serving the laws of God. And the South also claimed to consider the master slave relationship a more familial bond, which was surely the case for some, but obviously not everyone was that lucky. So they imagined themselves as a more protective power over their slaves, more than their greed fed desire for profits. Even going so far as to claim that their southern slaves were treated better than the North's paid laborers. And while the North wasn't necessarily prepared to get rid of slavery completely, and many did believe in freeing slaves, but they more didn't want slaves to be expanded into the West. And while the North was anti-slavery, it was against slavery and out of racial prejudice more than for humane reasons. And the South would get upset with the North because the North would let these slaves, escaped Southern slaves, integrate themselves into Northern society and didn't force these slaves back to their owners. And the North would be upset that the South was so successful with the use of slaves, which really gave the South a lot of economic power. So the westward expansion and slavery really drove a wedge between the North and South and really put both sides pitting against each other and trying to bulldoze their ways onto the others, leading to a lot of chaos, racism, and drama between the two parts of the newly established U.S. So thank you for watching. I hope that it was very informative, and I'll see you guys next time.